Hello, welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid? Ang reading natin ngayon is about a message from your ancestors 1010. So this reading is being made October 10, and this is like a message from the universe, from your ancestors. So um, may malaking magaganap or something about na something big is about to happen, a completion. Finally, may nag-end na, no? That's the energy na kukuha ko ngayon, mga kapatid. Something na nag-end, finally, nag-end na siya, and is about to receive, no? Oras na para ma-receive mo itong mensaheng ito. Itong dapat mong malaman, it's a good news from the universe, no? So, first things first, kunin muna natin ang iyong current energy, mga kapatid. Again, this is timeless. Whenever you see this reading, itong video ito, this is meant for you na mapanood ito. Even if this video na 1 year from now, 1 month from now, then again, this is timeless. Wala po itong hindi po ito na exact date whenever I do this reading. This is timeless reading po mga kapatid. And yeah, so move on na tayo. Okay, the Chariot. Yeah, this is the same. Wow. Alam mo yung last reading natin is about ano ba yung last reading natin nung nakaraan? Yeah, whatever it is, it's about like a chariot. Again, meron kang mensahe dito from your ancestors. Talagang nagsisink in yung baraha or yung reading natin, yung energy mo, kapatid. It's about your ancestors. And now, ito yung unang lumabas na baraha, the chariot. It's about your ancestors, the star beings, the star seeds. Yes, wow. Talagang nagsisink in itong reading na ito, ano siya, to be continued. Wow, that's a good message here. 10, 10, 10. Well, 10, 10. If there's a completion, important message from your ancestors. So, the chariot, there's like a good news. Confirm ito. Good news represents, the chariot represents about good news. There's a big, may malaking mangyayari, magaganap na dapat mong malaman. I'm getting like, yung ancestors, no? You could be like a star seed, star beings, no? Or there's like a star beings message for you. Yes, they're excited. Excited sila na malaman mo ito. Excited sila na, I'm getting like they're coming. They're coming. Wow. It's not like a UFO na darating. Again, paki-research na lang nyo na lang po yung about the star seeds. What is about the star seeds? No? This is like about Leiran, Pleiadian, yung mga history. May mga history pa pala before tayo. Something like that. Kasi noong masyadong malalim na, no? But then again, ang pagkakaalam ko kasi, humans and gods are together during, yung mga nakaraan pa or matagal na, no? Bago tayo. I mean, syempre may mga tao na, it's like humans used to work with the gods. So, medyo malalim talaga, marami na yung mga, wala kasi siya sa Biblia about star seeds, no? But then again, paki-research na lang po, paki-google nyo lang or sa YouTube about star seeds because yes, star seeds, it's like Lyrian, Pleiadian, Arcturian, andito na sila noon pa. They're all working together or I'm also getting like even before or siguro sa ngayon, they're all working together kaya nga walang siguro kung nagtataka kayo bakit walang alien invasion, bakit parang bisita-bisita na lang yung mga alien or parang bigla na lang silang sumusulpot. It's because I'm also ang pagkakaalam ko, no, there's like a group of a star beings, sabihin na lang natin star beings, parang Star Trek or Star Wars na lang din, may group, may council, may mga counselor sila na it's like a type of star beings government, no, na they are protecting us. They're the ones who protect us, the universe. It's not just us. It's like the entire universe. They are protecting the entire universe para walang alien invasion against Draconian. Yeah, paki-research na lang mga kapatid. I mean, who knows kung totoo ba talaga ito, no? Kasi pagka na-start mo na itong ma-research or mapanood sa YouTube, tuloy-tuloy na yan eh. It's like nagkakaroon tayo ng mga knowledge. Wala namang mawawala kung pinapaniwalaan natin ito, itong mga star beings, star seeds. So there's a message. There could be like again, sabi ko kanina, they are coming, no? So they're coming is not about like, maybe physically they're coming. I'm getting like siguro through dreams. So pay attention sa inyong panaginip. Kasi I'm getting like this about dreams. You know, you might be seeing dreams through dreams. About alien or something about like a human form na looks different. Yeah, it's like about, it's kind of like a sci-fi movie. Yeah, like that. Pay attention guys. Especially sa panaginip natin, they will be sending a message, an important message for you that they are excited to, you know, siguro they are excited to communicate with you. Excited sila na makipag-communicate sa iyo or sending you a message. Yeah, this is like a really like an important message for you to know about from your ancestors or something. So pay attention guys sa mga panaginip ninyo. Especially if, you know, bigla kayo nagigising, nag-i-enjoy siguro kayo, parang may action, parang nandun kayo sa action movie, something like the sci-fi, no? Sumasakay kayo ng mga kind of like alien, anong tawag doon, vehicle, yung lumilipad. Yeah. So pay attention to that because there's an important message for you from your ancestors or from star beings, star seeds. And hindi lang sa mga star seeds, also from your ancestors like family or friends, no? It could be sa mga pamilya natin na sumasalangit na. So pay attention, there's also a message for you here. Okay, yes. Definitely there's a message. There's like okay. Itong hinihintay mo sa ngayon, parang stay, ano pa siya ha? It's about money. There's like a money, okay, dalawang nakukuha ko dito. It's about money or someone is going to reach out. It's destined for you to meet this person. This person is coming. A person na mag-offer sa iyo ng stability or something na ganap na related sa finances mo, mga kapatid. There's a good news for you here. Wow, direct message na tayo dito, hindi lang yung yung energy mo nakukuha natin. Direct na tayo sa mensahe, a message from your ancestor. No, someone here is going to offer you. Someone is going to talk to you. As of now, nag-iisip pa tong tao to, hindi pa siya oras, but when the time is right, when the time comes, this person is coming. You will be excited, you will be happy na maririnig, matutuwa ka pag once na matanggap mo itong mensahe ito. It could be an offer of a new job, or someone might be, or someone might going to help you na mag-offer sa iyo related sa finances. Yeah, there's something big is about to happen for you when the time is right. You know what? Alamin natin kung kailan ito, no? Kuha tayo ng 3 digit. Our spirit guides. Kailan ito mangyayari? Kailan ito mangyayari, itong offer? Itong huge amount of money. An offer, it's a blessings from the universe. Okay. 7, 8. I'm getting like 5. Okay. So 5 represent changes, and 7, 8. So it could be 5 days from now, or 7 days from now, or 8 days from now. Not more than a month, guys. No, not more than a month. Or it could be, who knows? It could be like 5 weeks from now, 7 weeks from now, 8 weeks from now. It takes time kasi sa ngayon medyo pa siya, parang stay put na muna siya. But then again, pag nakikita na ng universe na ready ka na matanggap ito, guys, affirm, I'm ready to receive a huge amount of money. Affirm nyo yan, I am ready to receive the universe gift. I am ready from the universe. I'm ready to receive everything. I am ready to receive everything positive gifts from the universe. I am blessed and I'm thankful and I'm grateful from the universe. Dapat affirm nyo yan, and then you can leave your comment below about that affirmation na ready ka na ma-receive itong good news financially, stability, financially from the universe. Because ito excited sila mga kapatid. Excited sila na matanggap mo ito. The universe, your ancestors, your loved ones, and friends na sumasalangit na, they are happy to, masaya sila, excited sila na masabi ito, na may paalam ito sa iyo. Na oras na. When the time comes, 5 days from now, 7 days from now, 8 days from now, you will be receiving this good news. An opportunity someone is going to offer you. I'm also getting like someone, you are going to meet someone new. I'm also getting like, maybe yung iba sa inyo dito when it comes to your finances sa trabaho, siguro may mag-o-offer sa inyo. It could be business or something about sa, anong tawag doon? Sa sahod mo, baka biglang may mag-additional or increasing your salary. Yeah. Or someone here like a boss, siguro bata pa tong boss mo, but your boss is going to offer you something, a good news. It's not just about money, it's also about a good news na matutuwa ka. It could be also a compliment, no? Kahit simpleng compliment lang, syempre nagka-flatter na tayo, no? Natutuwa tayo na makareceive ng mga sa ating mga good news sa ating mga mga boss natin, Yeah. It's like we are doing well, we did good, something about compliment na matatanggap natin from our boss. Yeah. Okay. Ano pa? Since hindi ko na babanggitin pa ang iyong current energy, diretso na tayo sa important message from your ancestors. Kasi excited na yung ancestors natin, itong mga spirit team natin. Yeah, wag na sabihin namin, wag na yung energy nila. Alam na nila ito. Okay. Alright, saglit lang mga kapatid ha. What you need to know, Spirit Guide Angels 1010, important message na dapat malaman from their ancestors. Okay. Don't make hasty decisions. So, wag kayo mag-ura-urada na gumawa ng desisyon. It takes time. Pag-isipan nyo ng malalim, ng mabuti, before you make this decision. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Listen to your heart. So, pakinggan nyo ang iyong nasa puso. Okay? I'm also getting like, if someone is going to talk to you guys, or mag-offer sa'yo ng love, or mag-propose, something about proposal, business proposal, or work proposal, listen to your heart. Kasi dapat sa trabaho, or whatever, sa pag-ibig, whatever you do, you should be happy. Kailangan talaga na kung ano yung decision mo, you should be happy. Yung siyang makapag-satisfy sa'yo or magbibigay satisfaction sa'yo. Na matutuwa ka. Hindi yung or mag-uoo ka or gagawa ka ng isang desisyon na against your will, hindi naman tama iyon. So, your ancestors is telling me to tell you mga kapatid, whenever you make decision, do not make it hasty. Okay? Take your time and listen to your heart. Pakinggan mo ang iyong sarili, ang iyong kung ano talagang nasa puso mo. So, kayo na nakakaalam guys, if this is about work-related, finances, friendship, relationship. Alright? What else? Okay. Yeah. If someone is going to offer, may magko-confess sa inyo, someone is going to confess, may magko-confess sa inyo when this person realize na it's time to tell you how this person feel. Then again, listen to your heart. If this person tells you the truth, okay, Pakinggan nyo talaga kung ang inyong intuition, ang inyong kutob, kung ang taong ito ay nagsasabi ng totoo. It's not just about love. Whatever this person is going to confess or to tell you, pakinggan nyo ang inyong puso, kung ano nasa puso ninyo. Yung intuition. Okay? If this person tells you the truth. Yeah. Do what your heart desires. So more on about your happiness. Yes. So your ancestors, okay, the universe is telling me to tell you kung ano talaga ang nasa puso mo, kung ano talaga yung pinapangarap mo na siyang makapagpapatuwa ng iyong puso. Do it. Go for it. Because andyan lang sila, oh. Yes, andyan lang sila. They are very pinoprotektahan ka nila. They are very supportive. Sinusuportahan ka nila. Whatever makes you happy, they are happy to give it to you. That's ito yung, this is the completion. This is the gift. You deserve this gift. Whatever makes you happy, whatever makes you like, complete, feeling complete, because 10-10 is about completion. It's time to receive this. This is the gift from the universe. So, guys, whatever, this is the right time for you na mag-manifest, mga kapatid. Mag-manifest kayo kung ano ang nasa puso ninyo, because the universe, ang iyong ancestors, they want that for you to get it, to come true. It's like wish fulfillment. Kasi marami sa inyo dito, ang dami yung wish, hinihiling. But then again, one at a time lang muna. Kasi meron tayong cycle eh. Parang merong dapat tayong mga challenges na matutunan. And then, when the time is completed, and then, dyan na dumarating yung blessings. Because you deserved it. Parang na rin na, nakadepende sa iyong performance. Para tayong, as an individual, nagkatrabaho tayo. No, in general. Depende sa performance natin kung anong ginagawa natin sa kapwa natin, sa sarili natin, or, in this lifetime, how we do. How are we doing? And then that's how the universe, make a decision. Alright. Depende sa performance mo, mabuti ka, wala ka namang inapakang tao, and this is what you've been manifesting for. Ito yung minamanifest mo, ito yung hinihintay mo. Sa finances, okay, deserve mo yan. Yan, ibibigay ng universe yan para sa'yo when the time is right, pag oras na. This is like a completion. 10-10 is a portal of a journey of completion. And that's why the universe is too excited. Oras na. It's time for you to receive this manifestation. Whatever, kung ano itong nasa puso mo, ibibigay nila. If you are seeking love, finances, na mag-elevate itong sa trabaho mo, may pagbabago. Kung gusto mong maging boss, soon you will get that. But of course, hindi mo naman basta-basta mo kuha yung reward na yan kung naging batugan ka, ano? I'm sorry guys. Hindi ito para sa lahat ha. That's just an example. Pag nakikita ng boss mo na, okay, alright, si universe nakikita nila na magaling ka sa trabaho. Yes, napaka-independent mo. And then, if this is what you're looking for, waiting for, seeking for, na mag-iba yung level mo sa trabaho, then, tutulungan ka ng universe. So, the universe going to reach out, sa mga kay taas-taasan, oy, oras na para taasan mo naman yung sahod ng bantay ko. Itong alaga ko. Itong paborito kong alaga. Oy, oras na para gawin mong manager yan. Something like that. And then that's how that person like coming towards you. No? It's like they're using their magic para maging matanggap itong gift. Yeah, na deserve mo yan. And then this gift will make you happy. Okay? Natutuwa sila na makita kang masaya. It's everything about your heart. Maybe your heart chakra is opening. So guys, continue on meditating. Mag-meditate kayo mga kapatid. Whatever na, kasi pag nag-meditate kayo, yun ang nag-a-attract sa inyo. It helps you na, nakakatulong siya na mag-attract ng mga blessings. At makakatulong siya to block that mga, para ma-block itong mga unwanted energy. Itong mga panira. Itong mga dark magic. So, meditation talaga. Mag-meditate kayo at manalangin. Yes. And the more na nag-meditate kayo araw-araw, the more na matatanggap or mapapabilis itong manifestation ninyo na marireceive nyo ito. Okay? Sa pagmamanifest ninyo, sa pag-meditate ninyo, isalarawan nyo itong minamanifest ninyo, itong hinihiling ninyo. Okay? Yeah. That's how you attract the blessings, the manifestation to come true. Yeah. So what else pa, Spirit Guide Angels? Okay, hold on. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, what else pa important message for my viewers here from their ancestors? Okay. We have here anxiety. Okay, attachment. Okay, there will be an ending. Alright, sa mga anxiety ninyo dyan, mga kapatid, we have here number 5 and 18. So again, 5 and 8. We have here 7. Wow, 7. Confirm. Oh, sorry. Okay, you need to let go this anxiety. Itong mga past. Itong hindi pa kayo nagkapag-move on. Guys, you need to change see the message for you here, kailangan baguhin nyo na yung mga emotion, low vibration. Kasi the more na nagmumukmuk kayo dyan, the more na you are still looking back from the past, na nasaktan kayo, na-offend kayo, hindi pa kayo nakapag-move on, it makes your manifestation slowing down. You know what I mean? Mas bumabagal ang takbo ng iyong buhay. So, kailangan talaga tanggalin mo na itong anxiety mo itong mga attachment. Kasi hanggang ngayon, na-attach ka pa sa nakaraan. You need to wake up. Oras na para gisingin ang sarili mo. Ang iyong mga mata. Kasi may naghihintay sa likod ng mga to, may naghihintay na magandang opportunity para sa'yo. The universe is waking you up. Okay? Lumingon ka. Buksan mo itong bintana. Open your heart, okay? Especially when it comes to like trauma, no? Sa anxiety. It's time. This is about heart. Kung anong nasa puso mo. Siguro hanggang ngayon, yung anxiety mo, itong mga attachment na ito, you are afraid for this new opportunity. It's like, yung isipan mo, close off na. Sinasarado mo ang iyong pintuan for this new opportunity. Kung gusto mong mag-move forward ang buhay mo, itong blessings na darating. Paano darating ang blessings na ito? Kung ikaw ay, nakasarado itong bintanang ito. You need to open the door. Buksan mo ang binto to let the blessings in. Para papasok itong blessings, itong abundance. Good news. It could be related sa person. If you are afraid na siguro may trauma ka na, no? You are shutting down those people around you kasi may trauma ka na. Then natatakot ka nang magkaroon ng siguro a new lover or new friendship or sa trust, may trust issue ka na siguro. You need to start on you gotta meditate, pray, let go, surrender. You know, let go, let God, and surrender. And open the door so that way this manifestation, itong minamanifest mo, you know, you need to change this pattern. Okay? Baguhin itong pattern ito, nagmumukmuk ka, hindi ka pa nakapag-let go, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on sa taong nananakit sa'yo. You need to open the door and focus on what's out there. Ano bang nasa labas? It's time to explore. Kasi pag ang emotion mo ay more on positivity, yan, maganda ang balik sa iyo, ang matatanggap mo. More on positivity, positive thought. Kailangan baguhin mo itong thoughts na, or anxiety mo na, yung mga ganito, yung mga trauma, nagmumukmuk, nalulungkot, you need to change that pattern. Oras na. Siguro, iba-iba yung ano natin, so again, do what makes you happy. Starting today, whenever you watch this reading, this is timeless, mga kapatid. Okay? Start making like distractions. Okay? I-distract mo ang iyong mindset, itong mga anxiety, attachment, itong mga past relationship or something na hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. Distract mo ito. Manood ka ng mga nakakatawa. Kausapin mo yung mga tao na kapag bibigay sa'yo ng tuwa, no? Or something na ma-distract yung emotion mo. Kasi kung wala kang gagawin, we'll say, nasa bahay ka lang, nagmumukmuk ka lang, tapos ang iniisip mo, ganito lang, nagkukulong ka lang, iniisip mo yung mga problema, wala talaga. So, it's time to go out, it's time to do some distractions, it's time to change, oras na para baguhin itong emotion mo, itong mood mo, no? Siguro may mood swings ka lately. It's not because you have this mood swings, forever na yung ganyan. Forever talagang walang papasok na blessing sa'yo. So, kailangan talaga may distractions, hindi palagi ang nakakulong ka na lang. You need to get out. Magpahangin ka, pumunta ka sa bundok, or magbisita sa pamilya, or sa beach, go out with your friends or family, para mag-distract itong mindset mo. Kasi more na nag-distract yung mindset mo, mabago ito na mas nakakatuwa, natutuwa ka, no? And that's how you attract blessings. So, iwasan na magmukmuk, iwasan na mag-iisip ng mga nakaraan. You need to open the door, open your heart to a new possibility, a new lover, a new opportunity. Panibagong pagmamahal, panibagong friendship. Okay? Hindi lahat masama. Alalahanin mo yan. Kasi meron itong trauma ka na, ayaw mo na, parang lahat, hate mo na lahat. Hindi lahat ganon. You just have to follow your heart. You can tell, pakinggan mo ang iyong sarili, ang iyong intuition, ang iyong kutob. You can tell when this person lied. Kung itong taong ito ay nagsisinungaling. You know? Kasi may iba naman dyan na kahit na nagsisinungaling yung tao, parang inuuto mo na rin sarili mo. No. You need to let go with that person. Ito, inuuto lang ako, okay. Ex ka na. May ano ka lang mabulaklakin lang yung nasa dila mo, but you have no actions. But then again, you need to follow your intuition. Open your heart to a new opportunity, possibility. Ini-encourage ka na ni universe, ng iyong ancestors, to go out. Change that mindset. Baguhin yung mindset na yan. Okay? Kung mag-zumba ka. Para, kasi minsan guys, kung mahilig kang kumanta, or sa music, magsasayaw, go ahead. Para ma-let loose itong energy mo, no? Mapalitan ito ng yung vibe na maging mas masaya, no? The more na naging masaya ka, the more na nag-a-attract ito ng blessings. Wow. Alright? What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Important message for my viewers from their ancestors. So there's a completion, no? Malapit mo nang ma-reach itong completion, mga kapatid, kasi 10 is about completion. So, hintayin mo na lang. It takes time. Kailangan mo lang talaga na maging pasensya, no? Pasensyosa or pasensyoso dito. Okay, we have here music again. Music will change your vibe. It really helps you. Makakatulong sa iyo itong music. Makinig ka or play some music. Kung mahilig kang mag-guitar or mag-flute, mag-piano, or kumanta, sumayaw, go for it. It change your vibe. Nakakatulong ito para mabago yung vibe mo. It really, meron itong, the more na kumakanta ka, sumasayaw, feeling mo, I'm getting like, it helps your body. See, positive vibe, it also gives you, nagbo-blooming ka. Mas gumaganda ka. No? Parang nagsished, there's like a shedding here. So, the more na naging natutuwa ka, sa kanta, zumba, sayaw, playing music, the more na nag-glow up ka. Physically, spiritually, emotionally, yung vibe mo kailangan talaga mas naging positive itong vibe mo, kapatid. Kasi the more na naging positive ka, your looks will change. May pagbabago, nagbo-blooming ka, mas gumagwapo ka, mas kumikisig ka, mas nagiging sexy ka, attractive, gumaganda. Okay? And attract finances, work-related, opportunity, friendship, marami pang mag-attract darating sa iyo. Okay? Wow. Excited talaga si Uni. Yung the more na sinasabi ko to sa inyo, parang nanggagalaiti ako na sabihin sa inyo sa inyo ito. So whatever how I feel, ganun din siguro nararamdaman ng inyong spirit team ano. So yes or no na tayo mga kapatid. Excited lang din. Excited ang peg at nanggagalaiti sila na sabihin to sa iyo. Kasi siguro karamihan sa inyo dito, you are still holding on from the past ano, nagmumukmuk, nalulungkot, or iba sa inyo dito parang hold on, o nawawalan ng gana. Pag nawawalan ng gana, parang all day na habang buhay na parang na laging nagmumukmok or nalulungkot. But then again, chini-cheer up ka ng iyong ancestors, no? Okay, something new, something big is about to happen. And again, para ma-receive itong malaking it's a big gift, no? Malaking halaga. It could be something finances, sa trabaho, good news. Okay, there's like a new changes for you, pagbabago sa looks. Okay, kailangan good vibes lang, music, lumabas ka, yes, and yan, ganun lang. Happy. Baguhin ang yung vibes, maging matuwa ka, masaya, distract yourself, mag-isip ka ng mga nakakatuwang event para mas matutuwa ka. Okay? Imbis na manonood ka na nakakalungkot, mas talagang sa anxiety attack ka, no? Yeah, takot, something like that, or a trust issue. Yeah. So, iwasan manood ng mga nakakatakot or mga mas lumalala na sitwasyon, ano? So, dapat good vibes na lang. So, guys, yes or no na tayo. Magtanong kayo ng isang sagot, magtanong kayo ng isang katanungan, and then ang sagot will be yes or no. Alright, pause the video and ask a question. And then the answer will be yes or no. Okay. Alright. Ready, guys? Yes or no for all my beloved star viewers, spirit guide angels. Marami sa inyo dito star seeds, ano? I'm getting like marami dito nanonood star seeds. Alright. We have here no. Something about you are seeking. Maybe siguro nalulungkot ka. You are seeking for happiness. We have here number 9. We have here no. Maybe kaya siguro nalulungkot ka, no? Maybe you have this like a soul. Maybe your soul is maybe inside you. I'm getting like maybe inside you you are lonely. Nalulungkot ka. Meron naman ditong you are showing your happiness to everybody. Yung parang you are just masking. Kasi kanina nakuha ko yung masking. But deep down, okay, the outside of you, masaya ka. Masayang tao ka, ganyan, good vibe. But deep down, there's something inside you na hindi ka pa satisfied. Siguro you are seeking for questions or answers, no? You are seeking something. There's something inside you na hindi ka pa satisfied. You are seeking for it. But then again, despite of all this na hinihintay mo, you are seeking for, siguro you are seeking for true love, work, a friendship, whatever it is na deep down in your heart, in your soul, you are seeking something that you want to be satisfied. But then again, despite all of this, mga kapatid, the universe know how you feel. Alam ni universe, your ancestors, how you feel. Siguro you are still grieving. No, siguro dahil lately or siguro may family members na pumanaw. Maybe hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. Kaya parang until now, pinipilit mo maging masaya. I know it takes time. No? It takes time na makapag-move on sa taong special para sa atin na nawala. No? And again, do some distractions. Try to keep distracting yourself, to listen to music, dance, hang out with friends, lumabas-labas ka, connect with the nature, punta ka sa beach with family and friends, sa bundok, mag-hiking ka ba, or sa garden, something like that. You need to find yourself distractions. Kasi kung lagi ka na lang nagmumukmuk, thinking about that person, wala talagang mangyayari. Yeah, you are slowing down okay, nag-slow down itong good news, itong blessings na darating sa iyo. So you need to open your heart, open yourself to a new opportunity. Kung may mag-offer sa inyo na panibagong trabaho, then be open with it. Huwag niyong i-block, huwag niyong isarain tong opportunity. Okay? Or sa new friendship, open your heart to a new friendship. Okay? Yeah. All right. Again, continue on praying, continue on meditating, and yes, punta ka sa simbahan para mas gumagaan itong pakiramdam ninyo, ano. So, final message from your spirit team, spirit animals. Final message, spirit guardian angels, please. We have here, penguin, authentic. All right. You guys have this a loving nature, family, more about family, responsibility. Siguro marami kayong responsibility when it comes to the family, ano. A loving parent, yes, a loving sibling. Okay. All right. Yeah, you need to listen to each other. Yeah. Okay. Penguin, authentic. Reach out to your tribe in times of need. Family gives you strength when you face the storm. Love your uniqueness. You are full of surprises. Break free from others' expectations. Just be yourself. Again, just be yourself. Yes. Okay, kasi meron ditong nalulungkot ka because everybody expected. Marami kasi, siguro lately, sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, again, this is general reading, hindi po to private reading mga kapatid ha, para po to sa lahat. Okay? So, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakaka-resonate, kung hindi naman, then hindi ito para sa inyo. So, wag nyo lahat din itong nabanggit ko. Kung lahat man ay naka-resonate ka, then that's good. Okay? So, siguro lately, nalulungkot ka dahil pamilya mo siguro, family or friends, sa katrabaho, mataas ang expectations niya sa inyo. Kaya siguro nalulungkot ka, hindi mo alam kung paano gawin, kung paano ma-perfect or maisagawa itong mga expectations nila. But then again, the universe, okay? You need to let loose. Alright? Huwag mo silang pakinggan mo ang sarili mo. What makes you happy in your heart, sabihin natin kung nag-aaral ka, estudyante ka. Bakit ka pumili ng isang kurso na hindi ka happy? Bakit piliin mo yung kurso na para sa kanila, na pinili nila para sa'yo, and then hindi ka naman masaya, kontento? Piliin mo yung kurso kung ano talagang mas nagbibigay sa'yo ng tuwa, na excited ka, na gusto kang matutunan dito. Kaya nga nag-aaral tayo para may matutunan tayo, para sa ating kinabukasan, hindi para sa kanilang kinabukasan, para sa iyo pa rin ito. Alright? Same thing sa trabaho. Okay? Do what makes you happy. Choose what makes you happy. And be happy. Love, love, love. And then at the end of the day, when it comes to family, kailangan talaga pakinggan mo rin ang pamilya mo. Hindi lang ikaw. Okay? Hindi lang din ikaw. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na piliin mo ito. Again, kung sabihin natin si nanay mo, gusto niya na maging flight stewardess ka as an example, tapos ayaw mo naman, then express how you feel. Ma, tatay, hindi ko po gusto maging flight stewardess. Ayaw ko po mag-criminology. Ganon, express the feeling. Because at the end of the day, kasi kung magiging mas matigas ang ulo natin, or puro tayo away, ganito, ganyan, because at the end of the day, family comes first. Kasi sila pa rin sa huli, andyan pa rin para sa'yo, para tulungan ka at gabayan ka. You just have to express how you feel. Okay? In a good manner. Hindi yung may padabog-dabog. Kailangan talaga na kalmado ka lang how you express how you feel. I mean, the way you express your feeling, no? Okay? Para hindi mapunta sa gulo or para mas lalo ka pang maintindihan ng iyong pamilya. Why you want to do this. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan manigaw, na sisitahin sila. Dapat talaga na i-approach mo sila ng tawag doon? Mas mahinado ba yun tawag doon sa Tagalog? You know what I mean? Okay. Mas kalmado dapat. Okay? Na ma-express mo yung nararamdaman mo, kung anong ayaw mo, at kung anong gusto mo. And then that's how they let you. Okay? Just free yourself, be what you want to do, be who you are, be authentic. Okay? Yeah. Alright, so hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Please leave your comment below. Nakakatuwa po pag nabasa ko po yung mga comment ninyo. At pasensya na mga kapatid kung hindi ko man magawang ma-respond dun sa mga mensahe doon, no? Yung mga messages ninyo. And please do hit likes pag nagustuhan nyo itong reading na ito. I love you guys at God bless. At mag-ingat po kayo palagi. And I hope to see you guys on the next reading. Bye!